In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved posts on LinkedIn. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to your saved items quickly, including your saved jobs and your saved posts and articles, so you can pick up right where you left off. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn. This is a simple way to get to the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the results, click the official LinkedIn website, which should be clearly labeled, and use the linkedin.com address. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your LinkedIn feed. If not, go ahead and sign in so you can access your saved content. Let's look at saved jobs first, since many people save roles to review later. At the top of the LinkedIn page, find the Jobs tab in the navigation bar and click it. This brings you to the Jobs section. Here, look for the My Jobs option. Click that, and you'll see a list of all the jobs you've saved. This is your central place to revisit roles you're interested in, check details, and continue your application research. It's helpful to come back here regularly so you can track deadlines, compare roles, and make informed decisions without having to search all over again. Now, let's move to your saved posts. These are the articles, updates, and insights you've saved from your feed to read later. From the LinkedIn interface, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Saved Posts and Articles. That opens your personal collection of items you've saved while scrolling. You'll see everything neatly organized so you can dive back into long reads, revisit helpful career tips, or catch up on industry news. This area is especially useful when you come across something valuable during a busy day and want to return to it when you have time to focus. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. Saving is great for building a reading list, and returning here regularly helps you learn in batches instead of getting distracted in your feed. If the layout looks slightly different, don't worry. LinkedIn updates its interface from time to time, but the Saved Posts and Articles option will remain in the left sidebar or a similarly labeled section. That's it. You've opened LinkedIn through Google, viewed your saved jobs under My Jobs, and accessed your saved posts and articles from the left sidebar. Keep using these areas to stay organized and make the most of what you discover on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.